Sitting is the new smoking, so you should just buy everyone in your office a new standing desk and the problem will be solved, right? Wrong. Now let me tell you why. Giving someone a standing desk isn't the silver bullet solution that many business owners and managers hope it is. First, you have to figure out which kind of desk to give them. Should it be a standing height desk or a height adjustable desk? Then, you need to convince them to actually use the thing. We all know how hard it is to break old habits. So today, we're going to talk about how you can solve those two major problems. And stick around until the end, because we're going to wrap up with a tip on how you can save some money while making this transition. The science is pretty conclusive. Sitting all day is bad for you. It increases your risk of heart disease, circulatory problems, and diabetes. However, new studies are showing that standing all day is just as bad for you. It also increases your risk of heart disease and circulatory problems. So what is the right answer? It's actually a pretty simple concept. You move more. That means you shouldn't be using a sitting desk or a standing desk. You should be using both, or more specifically, a height adjustable desk, often called a sit-to-stand desk. Sit-stand desks come in a variety of styles with a variety of different mechanisms. But the important thing to remember is that it gives your team the ability to adjust between a sitting posture and a standing posture whenever they want throughout the day. It's important to remember that if it takes too much effort or more than a couple seconds to adjust the height of the desk, your team just won't bother using it. How many organizations offer their team free gym memberships only to find out that few people go ahead and actually go to the gym regularly? Sit-stand desks run into the same dilemma. Merely providing the desk won't ensure that people actually use the desk. We've found that our customers with the highest rates of adoption are those who have really taken the time to educate their teams on the benefits of a sit-stand desk for each individual user. When people don't feel like it's just another token gesture, when they feel like you really care about their health and wellness, that's when people will begin to adopt the tool and continue to use it in the future. It's then, once people are actually using their sit-stand desk every day, that you begin to see the real improvement to your team's productivity, focus, and overall wellness. Now that you know what your team needs and how to make sure they actually use it, I have a quick tip to help you save a little money on the process. Odds are, everyone in your office already has their own desk or workstation. And one of the main reasons our customers are hesitant investing in a sit-stand desk is they don't want to have to replace all those workstations. And I don't blame them one bit. That's an expensive project. Fortunately, you don't have to replace everyone's desk. A sit-stand desk converter is a tool that can be retrofit onto any desk, workstation, or table. It makes it so that the monitor, keyboard tray, and mouse pad are all fully height adjustable from a seated to standing posture. The one downside of these sit-stand converters is that they don't have a very large height adjustable work surface, so any paper-based work still usually has to be done seated. However, they are significantly less expensive than a fully height adjustable table or desk. If you want to learn more about office ergonomics, check out our playlist on just that. We're constantly adding more videos on ergonomic trends, tools, and hazards. The link's in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Or thumbs down, I guess, if you want to be like that.